Kpoh nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ha kawai ka jingja ka basngo triam, kawai ka samla ka badang khat khandai snam karta, kala Khlad no haju, hadian balakano ba wei ubrio badan Jingïadei batka, ulaot na kibenta jong ka Ryndang, bat Dung ru na kibenta jong ka Kpoh da katari, ia ka te ka samla. Kani kala jaha kasnong paham sim, hene ka sngi. Kumbala yo lum jingtep la yatho ba ka te ka samla ka bala Shah penyam, kadai na kasnong yo maulong, bar hadian beki brio kasnong kila yu iya ka te ka samla bakala thiak lingktar harut surok bat kasnam, kila pentep no mar syaki bor pulit kanong Kpoh. Habaya kran bo Superintendent of Police kari boy ugiri prasad, ula yatho ba ute urunar, hadian bula dep manle ya ketika kam ka penpar nyang krian ula phet krat no ya ladi bat tang hadian kumba katu kat ni por lingba ka jingshim kia jong ki bor pulet la yo no ban kem yau te ubrio na kalyang giri prasar ula pentep ru bahalor kani ka jingja la ujor da ka ejahar persya yau te urunar ubampat la satya pentep kerteng bar ka jing toket halor kani ka jingja kadang ya chakman.
Around 11:45 a.m. today, Kpoh police station received information from the headman of Kpoh that one dead body of a female is lying around in the road. So as per information, our staff along with officers immediately rushed to the point, and then after preliminary inquiry, we learned that one girl of 19 years old age has been found murdered by a person who has been living or in relationship for almost 5 months with her. So after the inquiry, the Kpoh police also managed to apprehend him in the Kpoh police station itself, and a case is being registered in this connection, and further investigation is on. So in this regard, I would also like to suggest that the police department is taking all necessary actions to ensure that crime against women and children are reduced, and also we would directly like to say that we are collaborating with the local village authorities also in this connection.